Window seals moving during a house move cause drafts and higher energy bills and should be checked immediately after you move in. Start by doing a room-by-room inspection within the first week, running your hands slowly around each sash and frame to feel for airflow and using a candle or incense stick to spot moving air around edges. Remove interior trim where possible to examine the original caulking and any gaps behind the stops, and check the condition of foam or rubber weather stripping at the sash line and the sill. If the foam is compressed, cracked, or missing, you should replace it with a matching profile and density for proper compression and seal. For windows with fogged glass, test for failed seals by looking for moisture or residue between panes and gently press the perimeter. If the insulating glass unit is compromised, plan for reglazing or full unit replacement because replacing the seal is not a reliable fix. Measure the reveal and sash clearances before buying replacement, weather stripping, and buy materials rated for exterior exposure and UV resistance so they last. Use a clean, dry surface and an appropriate primer before applying new caulk and follow cure times, typically 24 hours before painting or exposing to rain. For temporary improvement, consider interior storm panels cut to size and held with magnetic tape to reduce drafts and noise while you schedule permanent repairs. When work exceeds your skill level, take digital photos and measurements and schedule a qualified window contractor to provide a repair estimate and timeline so you can plan other move tasks around the work. The most common mistake is replacing weather stripping with the wrong profile, which leads to gaps and accelerated wear. So always match profile depth and compression rate and test on one window first. People often paint over deteriorating caulk, which hides gaps and prevents proper adhesion of new sealant. So remove old caulk back to sound substrate and apply a high-quality paintable silicone or polyurethane caulk following manufacturer prep instructions. Homeowners sometimes ignore insulated glass failures and only treat the visible condensation, which wastes energy. So record which units are fogged and prioritize reglazing or full replacement, and use interior storm panels as a temporary mitigation while waiting for replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and provides project information related to window sealing and weatherproofing. We connect users with contractors and let contractors find work through our listings. We also host an active discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from other homeowners and tradespeople.